Hello guys, welcome to another vlog. So this is a Christmas vlog guys. So again, we will do unboxing of this big box from Dunlin. Dunlin is a coffee machine seller. So I will be linking down below sa description box yung store ng Dunlin. Dunlin is a coffee machine seller. So if you want to see the unboxing or to see my coffee machine, please keep on watching. Hello guys! So, eto na nga. So, dumating na yung coffee machine na gagamitin natin. So, this is the not so typical coffee machine. This type of coffee machine is the type of coffee machine na ginagamit. I'm making any sense. Sorry, I'm so excited guys to open the box kasi gusto ko na siyang makita at malagay dito sa coffee bar. So, like what I mentioned before dun sa other vlog ko na I am actually filming sa my coffee bar ko. So, sa may coffee bar area. So, ito yun. Dito natin lalagay yung coffee machine. So, let's do the unboxing. So, open na natin siya. Na-excite ako guys because this is what I wanted. So, it's a same coffee machine na ginagamit sa Starbucks or sa any coffee shop na nakikita nyo. But this one is created for home. So, parang pareho lang din naman yun. Ginagamit din naman yun sa bahay. But it's a smaller version. Parang, kumbaga, bahay lang talaga siya. Set for business. But soon is, oh my God, excited ako. I'm so excited, guys. So, this was actually created by Guangdong Hygiene Electrical Appliances. So, located siya sa Longzhou Road, Newtown, Residential Committee, Leilu Street 5, Shunde District, Fushan City. So, sa may Fushan City siya. So, it's in China. So, mostly, lahat ng mga coffee shop, guys, is made sa China. But they have parang a store or a warehouse here in the Philippines. I guess sa Makati, itong padala nito. So, Dunlin. So, mas maganda to kasi English yung machine compared din sa isa na kay KMC, I guess. Parang gano'n. So, I'm so excited, guys. So, isi-set up na natin siya dito sa ating coffee bar. So, by next year, gagawa na tayo ng home tour, guys. And I'm so excited to share with you the journey kung paano na iba yung aking apartment from before. So, super ang dami kong gustong pasalamatan because of this. Actually, tatlo lang pala. No, so, super duper. So, super ganda ng background ko. It's green. Diba? Tapos, yeah, it's super good. So, yan. So, KCB pala. KCB Dunlin. Yan, dalawang machine to. So, it's a KCB machine. Ha? Ang hirap yung buksan. So, hopefully guys, bubuksan natin maayos. Wala tayong masira. So, yan. So, actually guys, I'm a coffee lover. So, most of my friends know about it na I'm a coffee lover. So, again, I would like to thank KCB for sending this over. So, Guangdong Hygiene Electrical. Pero yun yung maker, but the parang marketing something nila is the KCB. So, yun yung brand. Ito na siya! Oh my God! I'm so excited, guys! Oh my God. So, inside the box is the manual. So, KCB manual. It's in English. Wow, that's so nice. Because some of the coffee machine, tapos binili mo, if nabili mo siya Shopee and everything, it will be, the manual is either in Chinese, ganyan. But this one, it's in English. So, the brand is KCB. So meron din siya KCB. So, the model of my coffee machine is the KC6001 Pro. Ayun. Meron siyang Chinese version. So, ito yung Chinese version niya. And this is the English version. So, the type of coffee machine that I do have is the KC6001 Pro. Ayan. So, buksan na natin guys. Lahat natin. Oh my God. Paano ba? Oh my God. I'm so scared. Wait. Hirap yung buksan guys. So, kailangan yata natin sirain yung box. So, we will destroy the box na lang. Hindi na rin naman natin magagamit. So, let's destroy it. Oh my God. Ayun. So, yun guys. One of the... Oh my God. So, pag I'm stressed, I always drink coffee. Basta 1 to 2 cups of coffee is still good for your body. But more than that, hindi na guys. Because you will might end up having palpitation, ganyan. So, hindi siya good thing. But, once in a while. Ako, normally 2 cups of coffee daily. Oh my God, I don't know how to open the box. Sinira ko na siya guys ha. Oh my God, sana huwag malaglag. Sturdy naman po yung table na ginawa ni Tito Burn. Sawa ni Tita Jean. Siya yung gumawa nung I will ask kung tumatanggap siya ng pag may nagpagawa. Kasi ginawaan lang siya kasi. Oh my God, parang mali kasi yung pagkakabukas. Ano, ayan na siya guys. Oh my God. So, ito yung saksakan ni Claudio. Oh my God. So, tatanggalin ko na to. Oh my God. So, may free siya na. Hello guys. So, naputol yung kanina, naubos na yung storage ng ating camera. So, like what I mentioned ago, na ano yung included dito sa box, aside from the manual, is ito, dito ko nilalagay yung coffee. So, ibubus mo siya dito. Ayan. So, this is the coffee filter. Dito lalagay siya coffee. Dapat ipo-press mo to. Tapos, after that, another thing na, included dito sa coffee machine, kasi ito nilalagay dito. Ayan, insert mo siya dito. So, I will walk you through guys on how to use this soon on another vlog. So, dito lang muna tayo sa unboxing because I'm so excited. So, yung mga button, tapos, ito, there you go. So, ito yung coffee scooper. So, yung ground coffee, scoop mo siya, lalagay mo doon, tapos ipipress mo nito. Ipipress mo siyang ganon, tsaka mo i-attach dito. Tapos, button, ayun na, ma-create na ng coffee. So, sorry guys medyo kailangan kong ibaba kasi hindi nyo makikita yung coffee machine ko. So, aside from the scooper, ito free to, is the water tank. Hindi ko alam kung pwedeng ayun, natatanggal. So, this is the water tank, guys. So, dito maglalagay ng water. So, the maximum is this. Hanggang dito lang. Hindi siya pwedeng punong-puno. Tapos, i-attach mo dito. So, you can wash this. So, ngayon, hindi ko muna kayo i-walk through kung ano yung, kung paano siya gagawin or gagamitin. For now, yan na muna. Tapos, aside from that, is ito. Oh my God. Palikit. Oh! So, ito, pwedeng tanggalin naman to kasi naiinitan. So, dito mo ipapatong yung mga glass. Or yung cup, coffee cup. Ay, sorry. Oh my God, nasira na siya. So, coffee cup. Dito, pwede mo siyang ipatong. So, yun. Or, nakaganyan lang siya. It's okay lang naman. So, maganda kapag nandun yung silver. So, ang color na pinili ko is silver. So, this is my coffee machine, guys. So, I have a mini bar now. Tapos, dito yung drifter ng water, yung dumi. Pag naglinis ka, so you can remove this as well. So, kung halimbawa, mas malaki yung basong gagamitin mo, you can just remove this. Tanggalin na natin para hindi kayo nalilito. Kung ano to. So, yung mga parts lang pinapakita ko muna. I'm so excited! Guys, soon guys, i-walk through ko kayo kung paano gamitin yung coffee machine ko. So, yan. Ganyan lang siya, guys. Tapos, lilinisan mo na. So, pwede mo rin namang gamitin ito lang kung malaki yung basong gagamitin mo for your coffee. So, I'm using a double-walled coffee cup for my coffee. So yun, hindi siya ganun kalaki. Nasa medium size siya. That's not the large one. So pwedeng gamitin yung 2 bottle. Tapos ito yung sa steamer for the milk. So i-adjust mo lang yan, press, then gaganon na siya. So I will walk you through, guys, once we're settled or once na ma-fix natin to on how to set up my coffee machine. Again, guys, I will be linking below kung saan pinadala or kung kanina nang galing na company ito. So it's a KCB shop. It's not a local brand actually, but they have a local store here in the Philippines. So KCB, thank you so much for, or Donling KCB, thank you so much for sending me this coffee machine. So ground coffee, medium yung pagkaka-ground ng coffee, yun yung kailangan gamitin dito. Yung fine, it's not going to work, guys. So dapat medium yung pagka-ground or oh my god, sorry. Ground nung coffee gagamitin nyo. Kasi kapag fine daw, it's not really that work well. Kasi baka hindi siya lumabas mismo dun sa dito. Yun lang, guys. Yeah, I'm so excited that I have na. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. So if you want to know more about this, please comment down below. Yung price, guys, I don't know kasi sinend lang to sa Christmas gift from me ng Donling. So I will just be linking below yung store nila and you can check with them kung magkano siya. So dito siya nilalagay. So yun lang, guys. If you're not yet part of the Sachie family, please click the subscribe button, and if you like this video, please like the thumbs up button, guys. Merry Christmas and please be safe. Bye bye.